everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, children, today we are going to do chapter number 36 of our GK books. It is about our body. Okay, so children, there is a quiz which is about our body, especially the skeleton system and the muscular system of our body. Okay, it is given on page number 42. So, children, please open it. So, students, the first question is about our skeleton system. So, it is asking us how many bones make the skeleton. So, children, there are total 206 bones in our skeleton system. And if you look at the bones of a newborn baby, then you will be surprised to know that there are 300 bones. Yes, and as the baby grows, 94 bones they fuse together, and finally when the child becomes an adult there are only 206 bones. So now let's talk about the largest bone of human body. Children, femur. Femur or the thigh bone is the largest bone in your body. Okay, the head of your femur it fits into your hip socket and the bottom end connects to your knee. So in the picture also you can see this thigh bone. Okay, so this thigh bone, children, is the longest or the largest bone in the human body, femur. Now let's talk about the shortest bone in human body. So students, the smallest bone is found in your ear, and the name of that smallest bone is stirrup. It is also known as stapes. Okay, it is one and the same thing. Either you call it stapes or you call it stirrup. In your book, in your GK book, stirrup is given. So you will write stirrup in your book. Okay, so let's have a look at the diagram of the ear. So children, this is the diagram of the ear. So ear can be divided into three parts. One is the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. So this smallest bone, stapes, is found in the middle ear. So you can see it is written with blue color. There are three bones in the middle ear. The first one is malleus. It looks like, it looks like a hammer. This is malleus. It looks like a hammer. Okay, this is the first bone. Then we have incus. It looks like a envale. Okay, its shape is just like an envale. And then we have stapes or the stirrup. So over here, this is the area where you can find these three bones. M, malleus, I, incus, and S, stapes. Okay, children. So these three are very small bones which are found in our body, and out of these three, this stapes over here where you can see the red spot, this part. Okay, so this is the part where these three bones are found. If we look at these three bones, malleus, incus and stapes, you can compare their sizes now. Okay, so these three bones are visible on the screen, malleus, incus and stapes. So see children, stapes, if you compare it with your own finger, so they are very small bones. So stapes is the smallest bone that is found in our body. The other name of stapes is stirrup. Very nice, children. Now let's move on. Let's talk about the largest muscle. The largest muscle in our body. Children, gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus is the largest muscle of our body. Okay, it is located at the back of the hip. Okay, it is also known as buttocks. So this muscle is very important because it helps our body to stay erect. Okay, when we walk at that time also this muscle plays an important role. So gluteus maximus is the largest muscle of the body. Now let's talk about the longest muscle. So children, which is the longest muscle? Yes, children, it is sartorius. Sartorius is the longest muscle in your body. Okay, it is a long, thin muscle. You can see it in the picture. It is shown in red color. Okay, it is the longest muscle that runs down to the length from the upper thigh. It crosses the leg and it goes inside the knee. So from thigh, upper hip area to knee. So it is the longest muscle. It also helps when we walk. It helps us in moving our legs. It gives support to our body. So sartorius. Then the smallest muscle, children. Smallest muscle is stapedius. Children, stapedius is the smallest muscle and it is found in the middle ear. Okay, where our stapes is located now. The stapes, that is the smallest bone of our body. Over there, this smallest muscle is located. Okay, near the neck of that stapes. Now, which is the largest organ of human body? So children, when we think about organs, then we think about brain, heart and other liver, etc. But body organs aren't just internal organs like a brain and heart. There is another organ which we wear outside, that is our skin. Okay, so our skin is the largest organ of human body. From head to toe we have this organ. Our body is covered with skin. Okay, and if we look at the weight of an adult person's skin, it can be round about 3.6 kgs. Okay, so it's the largest organ of human body. So now let's talk about the largest gland, which is the largest gland of human body. So children, in the picture also, if you see, there is a red colored gland and its name is liver. Yes, children, the liver is the largest gland of human body and its weight is approximately 1 to 2 kgs. Okay, and its size is like that of a big football. Okay, it's about the size of that football and it produces bile. Okay, bile juice is produced by liver and it filters and eliminates toxins that are bad things from our blood. It makes proteins for our blood plasma also. Okay, it manages the blood clotting. So in short, we can say that liver is a very important organ or gland of our body. So with this, we come to the end, children. So your homework today is that you have to complete your chapter 36, that is body quiz, and your revision part, that is rapid fire 3, which is given on page number 59. So page number 59 is just the revision of the work that you have done till now. So please complete that also. Okay, so bye-bye. Till we meet again. Take care.